Hello everybody, Pac Man here, and welcome back to another Pop Vinyl figure unboxing. Today we are going to be looking at Pac Man, probably the most classic video game character you can get. Funny story, I didn't even know that they made Pac Man Pop figures till like a month ago. They've probably been out for a while, but I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, these are the other characters you can get in the set, like Miss Pac-Man and, all the ghosts, even one of those blinking ghosts when he gets the power pellet. I did see Miss Pac-Man in the store in GameStop, but I don't know, something about her, I don't know, she just looked kind of weird to me, so I decided not to get her. And I had seen Clyde in GameStop also, but I didn't have the money to get him, which I really wanted to get him. But anyway, today we're going to be doing Pac Man, and unlike the Steven Universe one, he does not glow in the dark. But yeah, by the way, I am going to get the rest of the Steven Universe figures and unbox those at some point. Fell over. I will do that at some point. Not quite yet though. So anyway, here is nice Pac Man. Very nice looking. It's kind of weird because he's kind of hollow inside, so you can kind of squish him. You're not really meant to, but I don't know, it just feels like that. Anyway, as you can see, the paint job is very well done. I mean, it's not a super complicated figure to begin with, but I think what they did do is pretty good. So yeah, I mean, these are pretty short videos. Again, if you want me to do some more pop figure unboxings, I will do them, and I will probably do the other Steven Universe characters, because Steven and Pac-Man are the only pop figures I currently own. So if you want to see more, as always, leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, goodbye. This is Mushmouth139 signing out.